Welcome to Metallurgy with AJR. Small concepts in an easy and simple approach. Here I am going to discuss the manufacturing of a dispersion strengthened composite aluminium alumina through powder metallurgy route. The first step towards the manufacturing process. Pure aluminium powder is purchased and then sieved using the sieve shaker to 300 micron size. The sieved powder is then oxidized at 250 degrees centigrade in a muffled furnace for an hour. This yields 15% oxide on the outer surface of the powder. The third step is compaction. Compaction is done in an UTM with cylindrical dies and a punch. Molybdenum disulfide is used as the lubricant. The pressure of compaction applied is 15 tons to attain 99.95% preform density. The preforms are coated with an indigenously prepared ceramic coating and dried for 3 hours. The fifth step is sintering. The preforms are sintered for 1.5 hours in a muffled furnace and allowed to cool in the furnace. Final component is made by cold isostatic pressing. Intricate shapes can be manufactured by this method with greater dimensional accuracy. Aluminium alumina is a dispersion strengthened composite where oxides prevent the moment of dislocation, contributing to the toughness of the material.
Friends, my idea is to give small concepts of metallurgy in a continuous process. Kindly like my videos and subscribe. You will get notification from me every week. Thank you.